Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make this wonderful infographic slide. Firstly, we will go to the format background and we will give a gradient fill and adjust the gradient fill according to the way I am doing it here. After that, we will go to insert, then shapes. We will insert a circle in an oval type shape. Now we will adjust the size to 5 inches and 2 inches. Now we will duplicate it and we will rotate it to the right 90 degree. We will duplicate it again and we will change the size to 5 inches and 5 inches. It becomes a circle. Now we will select all the shapes and we will align the shapes to the center and then to the middle. After that, we will shift the shapes to the center position of the slide. Now, we will go to the merge shapes and select fragment. After that, we will go to the shape outline and remove the shape outline. Now, the important part. There are many shapes right now. Select these two shapes and go to merge shapes and select union like this. Do it for the other shapes as well. So we can see that there is a center shape. Remove that shape and now we will change the color which will make the object more conspicuous. I'm giving it a greenish shade. So from dark to light, I'm going like this. You may also give a bluish shade to it as per your requirement. Now I will select all the shapes. Give a right click and go to Format Object. Here I will give it a shadow effect. I'll give an inner shadow. Adjust the shadow like the way I'm doing it here, especially the transparency and the blur. Now, right click on the first slide and duplicate it. Go to the second slide and insert the icons and afterwards the text. Now, go to the first slide and here you remove the shapes like this on the outer portion. This will help you when you use the transition, morph transition. Adjust it like this. Now insert text. I'm inserting infographics. I'm going to the second slide. I'm going to transition, selecting morph transition. Going to the first slide and slideshow. So the slide is prepared. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any query or any doubt regarding any portion of the slide, please comment below and please subscribe.